In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use American Express Delta Skymiles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have one of the Delta Skymiles American Express cards that grant you bonus for booking flights through Delta Skylines, it is extremely simple to get the bonus and make sure that you receive your Skymiles whenever you book a flight. So this is going to apply for most Delta Skymiles cards. It is very important that you are aware of the features of your specific card, and to find them out, you need to visit the website and see which one is best for you. To my knowledge, they are going to offer the Gold, Platinum, and Reserve cards. The way that they function is extremely similar, but there will be slight changes on the amount of bonus points and fees that you might be able to acquire. All that you have to do to actually use your Delta Skymiles American Express card when booking a flight is to first visit the Delta website or mobile app and start looking for your next flight. So include the origin, the destination, choose between round trip, one-way or multi-city, include the date, the amount of people traveling, and the most important thing, if you wish to use miles, is to check this box here, Shop with Miles. Once you check this box, you can go ahead and search for various flights, and on the list of results you will be able to pay using your Delta Skymiles that you already have, and finally finish paying with your American Express card. It's very important that you select to use your American Express card during checkout to ensure that you acquire the bonuses from booking. If you need to know how they function in detail, like I said, visit the website on American Express, go through the card offers that they have, and in here they will explain to you how Delta bookings work and how many points they will give you per booking. Now just proceed to checkout. If you have a Skymiles account, you are going to have to sign into it here, because like I said, you will be using your miles and a certain amount of money to pay for this booking. Alternatively, you can also search for flights and pay using only money as long as you use your card during checkout. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Delta Skymiles American Express. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.